welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make raw banana chips. Very crispy snack recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken one raw banana. Make sure it's nice and fresh. We also need one sharp knife and a peeler. Cut both the ends of the raw banana. Peel the skin off. Now make thin slices using a knife. The more thin the slices are, the more crispy it's going to be. If you have a very thin slicer, you can use that as well, but today I'm using a knife. Now we are ready with all the raw banana slices, so let's start making the chips. Heat sufficient amount of oil in the iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the slices one by one. Keep the flame on high throughout the frying process. Let this fry for 2 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Now it's nicely done and golden brown, so let's remove it from the oil. Likewise, fry all the slices and add it to a bowl. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Toss it well and make sure the salt is well spread. Now our delicious raw banana chips is ready. It's very crispy. You can store it in an airtight container and use it for 3 days. Very easy and crispy snack recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.